Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make a quiet book page for the Christmas book. So you will need prepared page. I decided to make a book without the binding, and how to make such a page I will give you the link below this video. Also you will need sequin fabric, yellow felt, this is Korean stiff felt, bells, waxed cord, grosgrain ribbon approximately 40 centimeters long, and a little bit of usable interfacing. Let's get started. Cut out felt frame for the bell using the pattern. Link to the pattern you will find below this video. This is fusible interfacing. Apply the interfacing onto the felt. I will use sequin fabric for the inner part of the bell. Take fusible interfacing just to stiffen the fabric and apply the fusible interfacing onto the fabric. Take the pattern for the inner part of the bell and trace it on the fusible interfacing. And cut out. Melt the edges of the fabric. Take a glue which is suitable for fabric or felt or leather. I'm going to use tacky glue. It's non-toxic. So apply a little bit of a glue. And I will place it between pages in the book. And leave for maybe 1 hour. Also, I decided to use artificial fur. I applied fusible interfacing on the back side as well, and I will melt the edges of the fur as well. So take the page, divide the page by 2. My page is 6 inches wide, so here is the center. Now, using a big needle, I will make a hole in the page. I will not cut the page, and then using the hook, I will pull the cord. Lay the bell on the page, secure it with the masking tape or with the wonder clips or glue. First sew along the inner edge and then along the outer edge. So this is the page. Thank you for watching and bye bye.